see that sign back there, Nick? Building and tufting design. What the fucking hell's tufting?
Fuck knows. That's what I've got as a tufting.
Exactly, yeah.
So you see, Ron, Steve coughs and splutters more than the ditch pumps.
I do need to get hay fever tablets.
That's because he smokes more than a girl's in hospital. Turn in 1.8 miles, apparently.
Yep.
1.8 miles. 1.8.
Is that your left turn you're on about?
Hey?
You'll see the sign for Gillespie. Take that.
All right, okay.
To the left.
Look at that lot.
He's alright, Bass, they're not far. You can hear them.
Yeah, we're not too far away. Every time we hear you, we drop backsliding, so it goes quiet. I take it you guys are at the top of that other hill, aren't you, by the old telegraph poles?
Yeah, I see him. Well, that silhouette's got to be Nigel's.
Who you calling fat?
So, left.
Yeah. Still going. When that bit there, Joe's shit in the middle there. I mean, literally shit.
I can't believe for such a big country there's so few green lanes.
We're on them.
Oh, you got loads, you're just not allowed to use them, are you? Yet Wales is pretty much open season everywhere, isn't it? Hundreds of miles
Fucking
of tracks
massive
up
them,
there.
aren't they? And I suppose they haven't got to be very high, those, are they? Because they're already up fucking high. Fucking hell, there's loads of them. Fucking fly tippers bastards.
Yeah, in the middle.
Fucking everywhere, isn't it? Well, that could fucking cut you out, couldn't it? Oh, we should have gone left there. We should have gone left there, shouldn't we? That's right, spin it by these gates there, look. Oh, yeah. Correct. Can't see them yet. No, keep going. Yeah, just to see where they are. You going, Joe? Crack on. Yeah. Just so that we can see when they come.
We can see you, Nige.
You can't miss me, Al.
Well,
It's that thing in the distance that looks like a cement mixer.
I can see him at the junction.
Yoo-hoo! Gooey!
There he is, look.
Just because Nige is going left doesn't mean to say it's the right way.
That's my left, Steve, not yours. Fuck me, I thought that was a community centre. It's a fucking house. Black lives matter.
It's always someone who spoils it, isn't there? Do you want to shoot my buster? Yeah. So jealous. I mean, we don't do bad though, do we, Nick?
Oh no, we don't.
It's just we're used to it, aren't we?
Yeah.
guilty by association.
Well, that's me. The others are back a bit. They're all out on this main road, though. Yeah. Great road, isn't it?
One thing I haven't seen since we've been up here is any deer.
Any what?
Deer.
Beer?
Yeah, we got hundreds on down our way, haven't we? Just roaming around the fields.
Yeah, I thought you said beer.
Yeah,
as in
deer,
Doom,
as in
no,
animals.
Yeah, I thought you were on about Doom Bar.
No. Well, they did threaten me with Doom Bar yesterday, but it was in a bottle, wasn't it? So,
It's in a bottle, yeah.
yeah, it's not the same, is it? Come all the way to Scotland and drink Guinness. East Ayrshire.
I think we've had a bad road, have we, today? Fucking superb. Somebody ordered a there's a whole load of them turned up.